Welcome back to Mr. Lamb Science Corner. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, and I hope you'll indulge me. When I taught math and when I taught general science, there were times when things were just kind of got slow in the classroom and they didn't really want to study, and maybe there was bad weather outside. My first year of teaching, I taught in a building, all 7th graders math. We had 1,000 7th graders at the school, and in springtime sometimes it'd be a little bit of bad weather outside and they wouldn't pay any attention to me at all, and I couldn't figure it out. But that's because we were living in Arkansas and I wasn't that familiar with the area, and they were worried about tornadoes, and a choice between math and tornadoes won. So I found some things that would kind of distract them a little bit, and maybe make them think a little bit, and maybe laugh a little bit. So I thought maybe I'd give you some of the best ones that I've got. And as sad as that's going to be, these are the best. So these are what they call illogical questions, and they spell it I-L-L instead of the. So I'm going to give you the questions, I'll give you the answers, and you can do with them what you will. Okay, number one. On what side does a chicken have the most feathers? The answer is, of course, the outside. I told you they were bad. Would you rather have a rhinoceros attack you or a hippopotamus? Okay, what I would like is I want the rhinoceros to attack a hippopotamus instead of me. Why is it impossible for a hand to be 12 inches long? This one's terrible, but elementary kids will love it, because then it would be a foot. What's the difference between a new dime and an old quarter? 15 cents. If 1 is a loner, 2 is company, and 3 is a crowd, what are 4 and 5? 9. And why would a barber from Missouri rather cut the hair of 2 New Englanders than the hair of 1 Texan? Because you can make more money for 2 New Englanders than you do for 1 Texan. Okay, so anyway, if I find more of these, I'll certainly bring. Oh yeah, I remember one from way back when. What holds the moon up? I'll end with this one. What holds the moon up? Moonbeams, of course. And with that, I bid you a fond farewell. Goodbye. See you later. Okay. One thing I didn't want to say on these questions, and I know I said goodbye, but is to make sure that you give the kids a good chance to think, and maybe call out the answers or whatever, because you want them to get the idea that sometimes you have to think kind of outside the box and sometimes way inside the box. But give them a little bit of time to come up with answers on this. So, thank you. Goodbye.